So this is going to be a quick side lying leg series. I've designed it so that it's okay for small spaces. We're going to keep the legs in a 90-90 position. So hopefully for those of you who don't have much space to work in, you'll still have enough space to do this routine. Let's get started. It's going to be super quick. It's 8 repetitions of everything. So we're going to come lie onto our mat. You can have your arm in any position that feels comfortable to you. So I'm going to go for on my elbow, but equally you can be down here with your head on your bicep, or you can have the elbow folded. And if you wanted to, you can have a cushion between your head and your bicep there if you needed it. But I'm going to be nya. So you're going to bring your legs into 90-90. And the way I line this up in what helps me think about it anyway, is to have the knees in line with my hips and then to have my heel in line with my knee. So it's kind of like roughly around the 90-90, as best as I can get it anyway. So 8 repetitions, everything. I'm going to try and count as best as I can. So just keep the breath nice and even. Don't worry too much about the breath. Just make sure you keep breathing. We're going to lift that top leg up to hip height and then back down. That's 1. 2. I'm going to move at a fairly decent pace. 3. I want it to be short. 4. 5. 6. 7. On this 8th one, hold the leg at the top, so legs at hip height. You're going to reach that whole bent leg out behind you, and you're going to bring it back forward again, as close as you want to bring it towards your body. 1, and back 2. I'm trying as much as I can to stabilize that bottom knee. 3, bottom leg. 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold at the back on 8. Now you're going to circle that knee all the way forward back to your hip height. That's 1. Reach the leg back, circle the leg forward. 2. Keep going. 3. Anchor that bottom leg. 4. 5. Big circles. 6. 7. We come forward. Let's reverse. So the leg goes from here. We circle back now. And then we bring the knee forward. Circle back. 2. Forward. 3. I can be a bit more stable on that bottom leg. 4. 5. 6. 7. Last one. And 8. Bringing the leg all the way forward and resting the leg down. Same on the other side. So quick switch. Just keep the video running so that we're all moving together. So I'm back onto my elbow. Legs stacking, one on top of the other, hip stacking, one on top of the other, so that top hip isn't rolling back. Making sure that the knees are in line with your hip, ankles aligned with your knee. Top arm wherever you need it, I'm going to have it here. Bringing that top leg up to hip height. 1. I'm trying to move so that my hip, knee and ankle are all moving at the same time. So that's 2, so this is 3. 4. 5. 6. Keep breathing nice and smooth. 7. On the 8th one, we held at the top. We reached the leg back. And then forward, as close to the body as you want to. 1. Just try and stabilize that bottom leg. 2. 3. 4. Trying to keep the leg at hip height. 5. Last 2. Bringing the leg forward. Let's circle back. 1. Knee comes forward, circle back. 2. Anchor bottom leg. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reverse other direction. So leg comes forward, reaching out behind you, circle forward. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, and 8. Bring that leg all the way forward and down. And from here, we're just going to go into a rest position. So coming onto hands and knees. I have the knees together, thighs together, reaching the arms forward, or you can have them folded under your head, reaching your hips towards your heels, and take your rest there. Well done.